美国总统川普明仔载要和乌克兰总统泽伦斯基来会谈，今仔日嘛已经有和罗西亚的总统普京来通电话。川普讲有重大的进展，表示因两个人会伫咧匈牙利会面。
I would say within 2 weeks or so, pretty quick. And I thought it was a very good phone call. I thought very productive. But I'll be meeting with President Putin, and we'll make a determination. Tomorrow I'm meeting with President Zelensky, and I'll be telling him about the call.
白宫指出，川普和普京通电话超过2点钟，决定讲最近要伫咧匈牙利的首都布达佩斯见面，来讨论要安怎和俄乌战争来结束。另外，乌克兰总统泽伦斯基嘛已经到美国，打算明仔载要和川普见面，来争取美国提供政府巡弋飞弹。因为这款飞弹是通对乌克兰发射到罗西亚的首都莫斯科。